Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox the Orna boxes for the month of May 2018. And in case you're not aware, then Orna boxes are basically monthly jewelry subscription boxes, and they have two in the range. One is green color and the other is blue. The green one retails for 499 rupees and the blue one retails for 799 rupees. And I'm going to unbox each of them one by one, and without any further ado, let's get started. But before we really start, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and do hit the bell so that you're notified each and every time I am here on YouTube, and let's get started. So let's start with the green box, which retails for 499 rupees, and this is how it looks. They have changed their packaging, they have their logo now as well, which is really good. I really like that fact now. And let's open it. This is how it looks from the inside. They have these, I don't know what is it called, but it looks really nice. I really appreciate their effort in the packaging. And let's dig in and see what all I've got one by one. Alright, so the first thing that I can see comes in this really pretty pouch, and it's actually a pair of earrings. This is how it looks. I really like them. It's actually silver with some studs in there. Let me put them on and show you how it looks on me. Alright, so this is how they look on me. I really like it, and the quality is also good. These earrings are really sturdy and I really like them. They're very pretty, they're not so small, not too big, and they are like those everyday earrings that you can pair with kurtis to college. Oh my god, I miss my college. I used to wear kurtis with bindi and good earrings all the time. That was my thing back then, and I really love these ones. Very pretty. Alright, so the next thing is also a pair of earring, and this is how it looks. It's really pretty and ethnic, and I absolutely love the golden and blue combination. And let me just put it on and show it to you guys how it looks. Alright, so this is how they look on me. Oh my god, I think I'm in love. These are so pretty and so unique. I don't have something like this in my collection, but I think I'm in love. Oh my god, look at these. Very pretty, and I love how they are looking on me. Absolutely love it. Alright, so next I see this little pouch which has a ring for sure and something else as well. Okay, so I am guessing this is a bracelet. Yep. So we have a bracelet in here which looks something like this. Very pretty, elegant, and everyday sort of a bracelet, and very chic as well. Really like it. Something you can definitely wear on an everyday basis for sure. And here's an adjustable ring which looks like this. Okay, which looks like this. It's a bow with small pearls studded into it, and this is how it's going to look. And the good part is that the ring is adjustable, and this is how it looks. Very pretty. Very cute actually. I like the bracelet a bit more. Let me just wear it around my wrist and show it to you guys. It's going to look something like this. I'm really liking it. Very pretty. Alright, so the last piece of jewelry is actually a neck piece in the box, and it's a silver, you know, that dainty neck pieces. I really love these sort of, you know, jewelry pieces because they just amp up the look of any dress per se, and I really like them, and I just cannot wait to put this on and show it to you guys. So give me a second. Alright, so this is how the neck piece looks on me. It has those chain tassels as well with some ghungroo at the end, but they do not really make that much of sound. That's a good part. And yeah, this one looks so good with kurtis and even those cotton dresses, which I really prefer in summers. So yeah, this is going to really go with my dresses a lot. So a big thumbs up for this piece. I really like it. Alright, so now let's dig into the blue box, which retails for 799 rupees, and see what all have we got. Alright, so this also looks the same from inside. Let's see what all we have got one by one, and let's get started. So the first thing that I see inside is actually a pair of earrings. These seem wooden. Let me just open it and see for myself how they are. Alright. So they look something like this, and I really do like how they look, and they do not have any sort of weight, which is yay. So let me just put them on and see how they look. Alright, so this is how they look on me. I really like the outcome, and the fact that they're absolutely weightless is just a big thumbs up from my side. Good thing you can pair them with your ethnic as well as western dresses. So a big yay, I really like it. I think this is going to be my favorite pair of earring from the entire lot because this is very unique. I do not really have anything like this in my collection. So yes, I am really liking it. Alright, so next I see inside a potli again, and it has a couple of things, so let's go one by one. And I think this is a pair of earrings. It's in this cute little box. Let me just open it and show it to you guys. So these are really pretty and very good quality earrings. This is how they look. These are those flowers, and they are very pretty. And again, you can pair this up with ethnic or your dresses. And these are lightweight and everyday sort of earrings, and this is how it looks. Very pretty. Oh my god, I really like it. The bindi definitely doesn't go with this pair of earring, but it's okay. Alright, so the next thing in the potli I see is a ring, and this one again is adjustable. I like that fact that they do not give rings of one size. It's really difficult, otherwise for different people to wear it. And I really like this ring. Look at it. It's really pretty, dainty, and it's really good. This is actually my style, and I'm actually most likely going to wear this quite a lot, and this is how it looks on my hand. Very nice. Alright, so the last thing in the potli is another pair of earrings. Okay, so these are silver, but they have some colorful pearl hanging, which I'm not liking a lot, to be very frank. I would have liked it more if it was like a single color, or stone pearl or whatever they're called. So this is how they look. I love the design, but it's just that multicolor hangings which really bother me at the moment. But yeah, let's just wear and see how they look on me. Alright, so this is how they look on me, and frankly after wearing them, I do not think that they look bad. The only thing bothering me was the multicolor hangings. I really love the pattern though, but I think that I can definitely do with them, and they look good. Not my favorite out of the lot, but they are not bad for sure. Alright, the last thing that I see here is actually very pretty. It's this neck piece. Very dainty yet again, and it has matching earrings as well, which look really pretty. Let me put this on and then we'll talk about how I find it. Alright, so this is how the neck piece looks on me. It's really pretty. I love the pattern and everything. The only thing I don't like is that this is silver and this is golden. As a person, I do not really like both of them together, like silver and golden. But overall, I love the piece, and I absolutely love these earrings. They look very pretty, and look at them. And they're very lightweight as well, so that's a plus. Really love these earrings. Alright, so that was all for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you really did, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know you like it. And yeah, let me take your leave now. I will see you very soon. Bye bye, take care. I love you guys so much.